Okay, so let's solve this and find the value of x. We can write 2 as root 2 into root 2. So we'll substitute that over here. So we have root 2 plus root of x is equals to root 2 into root 2. Now you take this root 2 over here. So we have root of x is equals to root of 2 into root of 2 minus root of 2. Now you take one root 2 common and you have root 2 minus 1. Now you have to square this part. Squaring on both sides, we get root 2x square square root of root 2 minus 1 the whole square. All okay. Now so the square of root x is x, root 2 is 2, and this will go in the formula root 2 square plus 1 square minus 2 into the first term into the second term. We are using the formula a minus b the whole square, which is a square plus b square minus 2 times a into b. Okay, so we are using the formula now. Almost done. We have 2, root 2 square is 2 plus 1 minus we have 2 root 2, and ultimately we have 3 minus 2 root 2, and when you multiply 2 inside you get 6 minus 4 root 2, and that's your answer. Okay, thank you for watching. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe.